Hey, you guys. Literally me. I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. What's up, guys? What are you doing today, huh? I am getting ready to pack my suitcase, and I just thought it would be fun to do a little kind of pack toiletries with me. This is going to be kind of talking about the Cadence capsules, but also we are going to put the TEMU bag to the test. I'm going to see how much shit I can fit in here, and we're just going to see if the claims live up to everything they said. So, if that sounds good to you, we're going to get right into it. I'm not wearing any jewelry. I've got a really nice mosquito bite right there. So, yeah, please forgive. Anyway, I want to start out with the Cadence capsules. I actually did a video on these a long time ago when I first started YouTube. Not too long ago, but you know, about how I spent like $200 on a bunch of Cadence capsules. At that time, I actually bought the petal color, which is the pink, and then I bought the charcoal color. But I decided with all of my new like travel things, I wanted it to match. So I went ahead and placed another order, and I bought some of the sand color. So I am giving Hubs all of my charcoal ones, and I bought myself some more sand ones. I also purchased, here, I'll bring all mine out. I also purchased some new tiles because before you could only buy the capsules with the caps already on them. Then they released where you could actually buy separate tiles so that you could change out the different capsules. So I went ahead and bought some more of those. As you can see, I still have some of the charcoal ones that I got for Hubs. I just got like a little bit of different ones in case he wanted to change his capsules up. But we're just gonna like kind of put these, they're all magnetic. You see how I can't. So yeah, if you don't know about the Cadence capsules, they are 1 ounce travel proof capsules that have a screw on lid, and they're all magnetized. So you can put the lid right on the bottle when you're using it so that they don't get lost. And then they all kind of connect to each other. And then they hold all of your things, spill proof, waterproof, leak proof, all of that kind of stuff. Anyway, it does save a ton of room in your packing regimen. So I'm going to use a couple of these today. I already have them kind of already filled. I'm going to take off these ones because I'm not using them for this trip. So I have mine color coded for hair and body in the sand, and then face makeup stuff in pink. So here's what I'm taking with me this time. I have shampoo, conditioner, and body lotion, and then I have face cleanser, face moisturizer, and primer, all in my little capsules, and they all stay together, and supposedly they are supposed to not leak. I've been using them for over a year now, and I haven't had any problems. So very, very cute, but also very pricey. These little things go for about $22 a piece, and I have a bunch of them now. So yeah, definitely a investment, but I really do like them. And I also have one of these metal spatulas from the pharmacy collection, and I like keeping these once I'm done with some of my pharmacy bottles because then they just stick right there. And for something like the body lotion, if I want to open it up here, I'll show you. So I have my body lotion in there, and then I can just take the spatula and like scoop it out and use it. And then that way I can just put it back on the side and not lose it. So we are going to go ahead and put these in the bag. All right, so this is that viral makeup bag that is supposed, I don't even know if I can fit it in the screen. This is that viral makeup bag that is supposed to fit a ton of stuff in here, and then you're supposed to be able to close it up and take it with you. So we're gonna put this to the test today. So first, I'm going to go ahead and put all of my little Cadence capsules in there. So that already is all of my hair and body stuff for the shower and also some makeup stuff. So that's looking pretty good right there. If I can like put this off to the side so we can see some more things. This is my little TEMU silicone travel thing that I got in one of my videos. This is supposed to be for makeup brushes, pencils, whatever. I am actually using it to hold some stuff because brushes are not going to fit in here. So sorry, TEMU, but I've got my eyebrow pencil, my eyeliner, I've got my little travel mascara, and I'm taking the Givenchy Prism Libre concealer with me this time because it can be a concealer, but also on light days at the beach, I can use this all over my face without having to put like a heavy foundation on. So that is going to be really nice for this little compartment here. Here is this, and it matches kind of nice. So we're going to stick that in there. Also from TEMU, I got the travel sponge holder, so I'm going to go ahead and stick a dry sponge in there, and we're going to set that in there. I wish I could make it all like Instagram nicey, but you know, this is going to be whatever. Now, this is a travel brush that I got from Target from Sonia Kashuk. It's a fluffy powder brush on this side, and then it is a kind of smaller eye shadow brush on this side. But what I liked about this, not only is it dual-ended, so it kind of serves two purposes, but it does have the plastic kind of covers on them, so I thought that would be really good for traveling. Gosh, I hope this works out. Okay, so this bag actually does have like a middle compartment here. I assume this is for brushes, but we're gonna like pack some other stuff in here. So I do have a razor. That's always good to have when you're traveling. I'll go ahead and put this as a 50 SPF face moisturizer. I'm gonna go ahead and stick that in there. This is such a cool thing, I think. This is from Shop Miss A. This is 10 compressed facial sponges. I know, look how thin that is. But I saw these on a video and I thought that was really, really cool. When you open this up, these are like paper thin sponges, and when you wet them, they kind of expand. So instead of bringing my little silicone face scrubber, I'm gonna bring these, and then I can just toss them out after each face wash. Get that in there. Okay, so that's looking good so far. All right, as far as makeup goes, again, I'm going to the beach, so I'm trying to be kind of light. I am going to be taking my Hourglass face palette because I can actually use all the things in here. I have 2 face powders, so instead of taking loose powder, I can just take those. I have my bronzer and 2 options for blushes. And, you know, it kind of goes with my whole scheme here, so I'm going to stick that in here. God, I don't know. I'm getting a little bit nervous about this. Also for eyes, I'm going to be taking my Kaleidos Cold Brew palette. This has 4 kind of brownish neutral shades. And then I'm going to take this little Complex Culture thing that has like some more pinks and purples. I believe that's probably going to give me enough options for vacation. So that's going to go in there. Look at those 2 little pockets. This is, okay, oof. I don't know, guys, getting a little nervous here. I am going to be sticking some SPF 50 in here. We are really trying not to burn ourselves and become lobsters this year, so I'm going to stick that in there. I have some Among the Clouds body wash that I'm going to stick in here. This is my favorite hairspray. This is Not Your Mother, She's a Tease in the travel size. Also, this is just a travel. This is my Kirsten S. like blow dry spray. So instead of taking my Olaplex oil, I'm just gonna take this so that when I blow dry my hair, I have some heat protection. Got a little deodorant in here. We're just shoving this shit in here. I do have a little Shop Miss A cotton swab kit. So we're gonna put that in there. This is a hair wax stick. I actually got this on Amazon. This is just, it's kind of gross because it's got my hair in there. This is just like a stick of wax so that when you pull your hair back, you can kind of smooth this over the flyaways and it stays out of your face. So I'm gonna stick that in there. Also, my little travel size of the Tarte face tape. This is my favorite foundation. I'm bringing the little one with me just in case I want to put some foundation on. I am bringing the sponge, so I might as well stick that in there. And then this is the little travel size of the Belief lip mask because, you know, probably going to get some sun damage. You need to put that in there. And then finally, I think this is going to be it because I don't think I'm going to be able to fit anything else in there. But I got this off of Wish a long time ago. It actually came in like a pack of 4. This is the pink one. This is a little travel kind of contact set. So it comes with a contact case and a little tiny bottle of solution that obviously you fill. But it's just a nice little case to have so that I can put my contacts away. All right, guys, let me see. What if I put this in here? All right, so that was a lot of stuff. I'm very nervous about shutting this. Do you think it's gonna shut? Oh my God, I don't know. Oh, look, it's already, we might have to, oh my God, I don't know. Let's see, what if we, oh Lord. Okay, I'm gonna turn it this way so that I can get a good grip on the zipper. I don't think it's gonna work, guys. I don't think it's gonna work. Oh, oh God, I'm losing stuff already. Oh God. I said I was excited to try this, but now I don't know if it's gonna work. We might have to, oh wait, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Oof. Okay, it's gonna take some shoving, but I think I'm gonna get it to shut. Okay. Oof. Oh, right. Okay. Oof. All right. There we go. I guess I did get it shut. So, yeah, that's really, I mean, it's definitely packed in there. But look, I did get everything in there. So that's my toiletry bag for almost everything that I need to go on vacation. Very interesting. Let's go ahead and open that back up. So you can see, oh, now I spread it open. Yep, that's all my stuff in there. So, okay, I mean, what do you want? You know, this bag was like $3.40, but look, it is holding everything that we just went through. So that's actually not too bad. Not mad about it. Let's see if I, oh my Lord. I'm a real person, guys. I'm a real person. We're gonna try and shut it one more time. Okay, so sorry I had to cut that, but my check-in notification came on while I was trying to shut the bag. So did get it shut. Yes, I'm checking in tomorrow, so I had to do the 24-hour thing. But all right, we got everything in there. I think we are good to go. I'm going to be editing this video on the plane ride to Miami, so you will be seeing this very, very late. But hopefully this was helpful if you are interested in the Cadence capsules and or the viral huge fitting makeup bag, which I mean, I guess kind of worked. Nothing's perfect in this life, right? That's all I have for you today, guys. What'd you think? Did you like this? Was it interesting? Probably not. But if you could please like this video, it really does help me out. If you could comment down below on, I don't even know. I'm in vacation brain, so just comment and say hi. It'll be great while I'm on vacation and I can like see all of your smiling faces or really just read your general comments. And if you could subscribe so you can follow all of my antics, you would be the awesomest. I love you so much. I will see you on the next one.